The 10 best zoology textbooks. Thanks to standardized testing, high school science classes now spend most of their time forcing students to label diagrams of cells instead of doing lab work. The result is that budding scientists enter college without having studied living animals, leading to an ignorance about the importance of zoology. These books can inspire curiosity and prepare teens for university-level courses. The list starts from Introduction to the Study of Insects. Anyone with an interest in entomology will find a wealth of useful information in Introduction to the Study of Insects, about $120, which, beyond its insights on evolution, also contains plenty of guidance on collecting and preserving specimens, precise drawings to show differences, details migration and reproduction, but some names are out of date. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Venn diagrams Photographic Atlas. You may not have the ability or desire to provide dissection labs of all the creatures discussed in class. For times when a live version isn't wanted, Venn diagrams Photographic Atlas, around $53, can supply carefully labeled images to enhance learning. Life cycle illustrations. Radiograms show human anatomy, but best is supplemental material. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Vertebrate Life. Necessary reading for those ready to specialize. Vertebrate Life, around $79, may be a bit much for casual enthusiasts. For university students, it includes useful citations at the end of each chapter so inquisitive minds can follow up on interesting points. Discussion of climate change, organized by evolutionary history, but pricey if not needed for school. Well, here is the seventh one. Biology of the invertebrates. They may not be as cuddly as mammals and marsupials, but the creatures covered in Biology of the Invertebrates, around $135, are vitally important to Earth's ecosystems, and understanding them is necessary to gain a full view of the variety of organisms that populate the planet. Detailed descriptions of classes, pronunciation guide, but lacks color photographs. You should look into this product, it was surely well marketed. Zoology, 11th edition. Zoology, 11th edition, around $112. Is ideal for undergraduate study by non-majors or those just beginning their coursework in the field. The concept review questions for each section ensure readers won't get lost if this is all new information for them. Chapters on nutrition and digestion. Strong focus on ecology, but prose is dry and clinical. Now we will show you the fifth product in the list, Herpetology, 4th edition. Though it's easy to confuse amphibians with reptiles, they are actually from separate evolutionary lineages. Herpetology, 4th edition, APPX, $110, helps readers understand the similarities and differences of these two types of animals and why they are studied together, discusses threats to species, covers fossil history, but doesn't have a glossary. Customers are king and according to them one should buy this one. The diversity of fishes, because there are still so many important discoveries being made regarding sea life. It's vital to have a resource that isn't out of date. The 2nd edition of the Diversity of Fishes, APPX, $72, has been revised to reflect the most current understanding of underwater creatures. Intricate drawings and diagrams, special attention paid to taxonomy, but updates posted online regularly. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Zoology for Kids. It's never too early to nurture a child's interests, especially when it could lead to a promising career path. Zoology for Kids, about $15, gets to young minds before they start middle school, helping them to understand that science is more than just worksheets and tests. Activities involving household items, pictures in each section, but timeline of important people. According to reviews, the second best product is Integrated Principles of Zoology, with more than 900 pages of material. The 17th edition of Integrated Principles of Zoology, APPX, $129, provides enough information for 2 semesters of intense study, focusing heavily on the role of evolution in the diversity of physical traits among different species. Covers broad spectrum of phyla, detailed overview of genetics, but highlights ecology and behavior. Now here is our best of best, the king product. Handbook of Bird Biology. Those with even a passing interest in ornithology will be drawn in by the accessible writing of the Handbook of Bird Biology, about $105, which starts out by addressing the necessity of this field of study and the basic knowledge required to understand the complex ideas later on. Vocabulary boxes explain terms, more than 800 color photos, but comprehensive glossary in the back.